The TIECTOWN 16-inch electric dethatcher is designed to enhance lawn health with its dual functionality, allowing users to both dethatch and scarify their lawns efficiently. Equipped with a powerful 15.5-amp motor, this dethatcher offers robust performance, ensuring your lawn maintenance tasks are completed quickly and with minimal effort. The adjustable 5-position depth control provides versatility, catering to different lawn heights and seasonal maintenance requirements, making it a flexible choice for homeowners. Weighing only 30 pounds, it is easy to maneuver, and its foldable handle design facilitates compact storage, making it ideal for users with limited storage space. The inclusion of a large 14.5-gallon removable collection bag simplifies debris disposal, allowing for extended use without frequent emptying. Thoughtful features such as a waterproof plug, cord clip, and durable wheels enhance the user experience, ensuring safe and smooth operation during lawn care activities.